everyone. This is Abhishek Vaidya from Relay Engineering team. My team consists of myself, Sanket Bajoria and Pulkit Anchalia, and our idea is to monetize unused real estate on customer documents by way of advertising. Relay Hub processes and enhances a lot of customers' print-ready documents, and which typically have a lot of unused real estate, maybe the first page or the last page of the document. So if you see any typical mail piece, the last page would have some white space at the end that's going unused, and the idea is to use this white space to monetize it by way of advertising. Any SMB customer would be very willing to rent out this white space in case this helps him earn extra revenue out of it. And the model is that SMB specifies that this is the region which I can rent out to any kind of marketing, provided it's not to one of my competitors, and maybe there can be some more restrictions that he wants to put in. And then Relay Hub uses that particular space in the customer's document and connects to either a third-party advertising marketplace or an in-house solution that is built within PB for getting targeted marketing advertisement. Now Pitney Bowes has a lot of customer data. We have the addresses of the customers, we have their phone numbers, we have their locational trace data, where that person lives, where he typically goes, and if we collate all that data, we very well have enough data to generate targeted marketing messages for the advertisers. And we have put together a hack by modifying the product, wherein we are allowing the customers to specify the region wherein they would want to see these advertisements coming in the mail pieces. So this is the Relay Hub site, and the URL and the credentials, they have been given on the hack page. So if you follow these steps to run sequentially, so it would give you all the steps that are required to just see this hack working. So I've already logged into the product. I click on create template, and this template may not be very relevant to the hack that we are putting together, but this is just one of the use cases that Relay Hub team has. One second. So I click on create template. Now the first page is asking me to upload a sample PDF, and once this PDF gets uploaded, we show the preview of the customer document, and the intention is to create a template that would ideally get applied on the customer's production documents, and whatever enhancements or whatever changes this template is deemed to apply, so those will happen on the customer documents. So we go to step 2, and this step 2 is asking for some of the relay inserter configuration, which is not relevant for this particular hack, so I'm just selecting any values that come to my mind. The third step is asking that your documents, how would the documents be split into the different mail pieces which are part of this document. So I say that every mail piece will be of 2 pages, and as soon as the customer clicks apply split criteria, so he visually sees that every mail piece is of 2 pages. And the next option that he has is that he gets a checkbox which says that allow advertisements in mail pieces by selecting a region. Once customer selects this, so which means the customer is willing to rent out the real estate on his documents for advertising, and then he can say that I would like to have this advertisement here. So for the sake of simplicity and just to track it whether things are working as expected, I'm putting it right aligned with this the beginning of customer, and the advertisement should appear here. So this is where the customer wants the advertisement to be. And now I go to step 4. This step recommends the position of a barcode, because this is a template for self onboarding of Relay Hub 2.1 customers, and this allows jobs to be processed via these templates and then submitted to the inserter, so that the integrity barcode can be, the location of the integrity barcode can be defined by the end users. But this is not much relevant for the hack that I am showing now. So I would submit this template, give it a name, try me now, and I would save this template. So the template is saved now. Now what I would do is I would try to apply this template against a document which doesn't have any marketing message. So if I show you the document that I am about to use, I think I'll have to re-download the document again. So this is where the sample document was. I would just re-download it again. Now this is the document I would submit against the template. If you see, it doesn't have any marketing message. I'm going back to the Relay Hub. I say I want to use this template which we just created, try me now. I browse for a sample customer file that would get processed against the template, and I upload the file and I press submit. So it takes a while for this file to get uploaded to the server, and then the changes would be applied on this particular document. Now once the document has been submitted, you click on job reports, and we see that this job is still in processing. I see this icon which is telling me this is processing, so I wait for a few seconds, maybe 10 or 15 seconds, and then once I refresh this page, so ideally we should see a green tick mark, which means that the job is completed. Now I see the job is completed. I'll just try downloading this processed PDF and see what's there. Now if I see this PDF, what Relay Hub did is it simulated generating a targeted advertising message on every mail piece of this document. And because we said that every mail piece would be of 2 pages, so if you see, every third page of this document would have a marketing message at the top, and this location was the one that was chosen by the customer, but the advertisement is being generated by Relay Hub. So this is the hack that we wanted to present. The only thing that we don't have is a advertising marketplace, so we could not find any company that's providing advertising material for documents. So either we'll have to search more on this part, or maybe partner with some agency, or try to build this solution in-house. But then this solution wouldn't be just for Relay Hub. I think it can be used across Pitney Bowes, considering the fact we are processing large number of mail pieces on a day-to-day basis. Thank you.